In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Beehiiv API in just a few simple steps. If you're building automations, connecting Beehiiv to another app, or just need your API key for development work, this guide will walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to complete any account verification if Beehiiv prompts you to do so. Sometimes platforms require a quick verification step before sensitive account settings can be accessed. So if you see a verification request, make sure to finish that before moving on. After you're logged in and verified, look at the left sidebar in your Beehiiv dashboard and click Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps most of the account and workspace controls, so this is the area you want to be in to find the API options. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Workspace Settings, and then click API. That will open the API page for your workspace. Now, depending on your account status, Beehiiv may require Stripe identity verification before API access is enabled. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions and complete the verification process. This step is important because Beehiiv may need to confirm your identity before giving access to API credentials. Once everything is approved and API access is enabled, you'll be able to see your API key right there on the page. Copy it carefully and store it somewhere secure because this key is what you'll use to connect Beehiiv with other tools, apps, or custom integrations. And that's it. That's how to access the Beehiiv API and find your API key. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next workflow or automation guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.